There will be no shortage of water this year, yet you'll be asked to control your water usage again this summer. After 6 years of mandatory restrictions, this is the third year we'll be asked to voluntarily conserve. Water is a precious natural resource here in the West, and that balance of supply and demand is critical. Reservoirs supplying water for Metro Denver store on average 295,000 acre-feet each year. We use about 265,000 acre-feet. That leaves about 30,000 to spare. But by the end of 1986, the Denver Water Department expects demand to equal supply. That will mean a water shortage later on. Getting conservation into the minds of people now may head off some problems down the road. You'll be asked to water lawns only every third day. The system is based on the last two numbers of your address. Digits 00 through 30 are diamonds, 31 through 60 are squares, and addresses ending in 61 through 99 are circles. A handy calendar is used to tell which day is yours to water, and the program will run from June 1st through the end of September. The type of landscaping material used around your house can make a difference too. The Denver Water Department's Xeriscape garden shows how creative landscaping can save water.
It goes all the way back to preparing the soil to make sure it absorbs and holds moisture, to use of more of the native plantings which can thrive on the natural precipitation in this area and cut down water use. Also in the design of a yard to cut down the turf areas.
In future years, as water issues become even more critical, conservation efforts may not go far enough. At that time, a new dam may be needed, and there are several proposals. The one the Denver Water Department has been pushing for years is Two Forks, a massive dam on the South Platte. But environmental groups are opposed to that plan.
We think that there are a lot of alternatives, small projects, primarily conservation, water exchanges with agricultural interests and other water users, all of which, when added together, provide a package that meets the needs of Denver, and it does it for a lower cost and certainly for a lower environmental price tag than something like Two Forks.
For the time being, at least, conservation will be the key. And with new people moving in from other parts of the country, that conservation will likely go on for a very long time. Steve Anderson, Environmental Specialist, News Center 4.